Hello everybody, this is Christian, and today we're going to be watching Airsoft gameplay fully recorded from Soft Air NJ by my friend Chris, and I hope you enjoy. The game we are playing today is an attack and defend kind of style game, where both teams have 2 command posts, and the objective of the game is to destroy the other team's command post while you protect your own command post.
We tripped on the bomb. Keep moving up, go. Go to the village. Christian. Kevin. There's 2 guys. I'll let you shoot. Twice. Keep moving up, go.
Off the start of the game, me, Chris, and a lot of other people pushed into the village because it's one of the best spots to attack any other position on the map.
Where's the location? I got shot. Yeah, straight. Like here. They're in the trench. Watch out, Kevin. Come over here, I see him. I see him. He's in the trench. You see a green helmet. See it? You don't think I hit that guy? Man, my gun doesn't like semi-Christian. My gun never likes semi. Here. Go. Christian, I'm coming behind you. I see him. I'm on here. They got me pinned. Christian.
Yeah.
Should I get in? Because I could probably reach him.
Alright, get in, get in. Good deal.
You want to go behind what I did? Go. Or you go under. He's it. He's it. Two down. Go to that thing, see? That thing. That box. Go. Oh, he's hit. He's hit. There's a medic in there. Alright, you gotta move up. Go. Wait, he's back. Go. Who's left in the village? Kevin, you gotta get out of the box. Christian! There's a guy in the tri pit. Reloading! They're all straight ahead and I can go for one. I got a pistol. Oh, I gotta switch out. I'll tell you when. I'm ready when you are. Kevin, you're gonna cover me. I'm gonna go get Christian. Tell me when. Here, I need you to suppress. That way. Kevin. You see truck pit in front of us? I'm going in 2 minutes, a second.
No, this part right here. Right here. Try it again. Tell me one more time. Okay. This guy right here.
Where'd they go? My gun's back over there. I think they're over here. Oh, coming back.
There's a briefcase in here. What they'll do with it?
Where?
Later on in the day, we find
Green,
out that those
green.
silver briefcases award us
I don't
game
think we
points.
take it. I'm going back. I'm coming back. Ready? Suppress. Hey guys, what do we do if we find a briefcase? We take it?
Yeah. What do we do with briefcases? You have one over there?
Yeah, there's one in there.
Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Head!
I'm here. Christian got it started for me.
Here, take
I'm adding him. Is that not ammo for the mortars? Is that not ammo for something? Christian, what's inside of it? Open it. I think we take them. Oh. Christian, I'm gonna come back over you.
No, don't. There's too many people in the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna help him. What'd he say?
Is that teammate over there?
Who?
Well, I tried to.
I don't think so. Who's that?
Alright, that's green.
Is he hit?
You're hit.
Are you hit? Dude, he didn't tell us.
Scream out medic if you're hit.
You need medic? Go get him. There's 2 people. I need cover! There were medic, 2 people, I need help. If you want to go to village, it'd be better cover. 3 people from here is not that good. So you can run to village, we'll cover you. Let's go straight that way. That's village. Alright, go. Cover. Oh shit, my bone came off again. Crap. Did that last time.
Derp derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derp.
Oh, there we go. Nah, my stock thing came off. Christian, I'm out of ammo almost. I see a guy. He's shooting at me. I'm running a high cat. Mid cat. Oh, 25. No, I got BBs in my pocket. I just have to reload soon. Hit.
Get your band out, get your band out. I see him.
Here's one.
Let me know when you're in advance.
Wait, what happens if you're hit without no more things?
Then you have to go back to respawn.
That's gonna come off, isn't it?
What?
Is that not gonna come off? I tied yours.
This is not the spot for a big guy. I see you on I can probably get him.
I need to move location, like where I can get a better shot. I'm gonna move over. Wait, is that your second band?
Yeah.
I think you're dead.
Is that how it is?
I think that is. So just go back to your spawn and come back here and help.
This is not the spot for a big guy.
Nah. No, we just gotta hold this off with village. We have village, so that's good cover.
There's one guy over here.
I'm gonna try to move over here on the side of us. They're falling back. Where? Location. Go back to the other spot. Oh wow, dude, he was hit. Dude, get in that pit right there. You see it?
Oh, hit!
Hit. Give me.
Are you hurt too?
No, just give me your thing. Shit, this is my space spawn.
He's already hit me.
Oh shit, you got hit again. Can I have some cover over here? Time for those to take.
That's good, that's good. That's good, that's good.
That spot. Where'd he go? Oh, the guy's right there. That guy four right there. Go. Christian! They're taking fire everywhere. Christian, it's one right in the pit, close by.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it here for today. After Chris just got shot here, he's gonna end up walking back to base and respawning. See ya.